Well, the most important thing is downtime. You know, we can't afford to have flat tires, have down equipment. That's been our biggest advantage. Is we want a long-lasting tire, and we want something that's going to be trouble-free. Customer service side of it's been amazing. When we've had a problem, it's been resolved within a week and quick. And you know, we've had to change flange sizes, we've had to change stud sizes. Even today, you know what, we swapped over to these new ones, but you guys were with us the whole way, and it was really easy and fast.
Call a product specialist today.